Hello, Rich and Sandy. This is a little demo to show the results of building up the printed circuit board that Jose G0VQW fabricated in his home printed circuit board facility. It's presently hooked up to power, and this is a temporary lash up that should allow Sandy to be able to hook it up. You'll only need to provide power through one connector here and either a power switch or a jumper. I have a jumper on here now, so there is no power switch. Power is just controlled by connecting it here. I have all of the pots and controls. I'm hearing a little noise coming out of my speaker, so I'm messing with things here. But I'll have to look into that. But the general idea is that you've got pots here for controlling the side tone volume. It's hard to get the right volume for recording into the mic this way, and the tone. So that's the local side tone volume control there. This is the tone control here. These two pots have to do with when it's interfaced to the sound card. This one controls the drive level to the sound card, and this one controls the volume coming back from the sound card. I need to hook this up to do the final test with the sound card. These are the two stereo jacks. This one is for input from the sound card, and this is for output to the sound card. And I had some problems with a chip the other day with this thing, that I had some noise I was seeing on the scope. I think that's what I'm hearing in the speaker now. I don't know if the recording will get that sound through, but let's assume I'll be able to find out what that's coming from and get rid of it. I'm going to disconnect power and disconnect the speaker. So that's an external speaker jack there. There's also a jack for headphones. This is the jack for the key line from here. I only had the hand key set up here, which I never ever use. I can't send with a straight key anymore. And there's the power cable coming off. And this is the Hypermite filter that Rich has one of. And if that filter is assembled with the three headers that I've shown information on my webpage for this keyer. I don't know if the autofocus doesn't work very well on this camera, but you can see there's two male headers on each side here and one female header, and that plugs in and mates with the female and male headers on the circuit board here. This pot up here at the top is one that the user would not normally need to adjust. That would be only when I'm initially testing it that I set that pot. There's a resistor down here that's soldered on a header that allows me to set the actual low end range of the tone. So the user should not have to worry about that either. So this is what I'm thinking. If you two guys feel like you can package it up, you could reuse the pots, get knobs for the pot controls, or you could just use it the way it is, certainly for give Sandy a chance to check it out, to check out the Internet CW. And I still need to do more testing on it, hook it up to the server, check out what that noise was I was hearing. But I just wanted to show you the general idea of what I'd be planning to mail to Sandy for no charge other than